In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download keywords from Google Ads. If you need a clean list of your keywords for reporting, analysis, or sharing with your team, this walkthrough will take you from the account view all the way to a neatly exported file. First, go to your Google Ads account. Open your browser and navigate to your account's main dashboard so you can see your campaigns on the left-hand side. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the access you need. It helps to double-check that you're in the right workspace if you manage multiple accounts. Next, click Campaign. This brings you to the Campaign view where your performance and structure are organized. Select the campaign that contains the keywords you want to export. Picking the correct campaign here ensures the download will include the exact set of keywords you care about, rather than pulling from somewhere else. From there, click Audience. You'll find Audience in the left-hand navigation panel. Opening this section helps you move into related targeting and keyword areas within the campaign. Once you're in, click Keywords. This takes you to the Keywords table where you can see all the terms currently associated with the selected campaign. Give the page a second to load so the table fully populates. If you notice filters at the top, keep them as is. If they match what you want to export, they'll affect what ends up in your file. Now click Download. Look toward the top of the table for the download icon or the download button. Clicking this prepares an export based on everything visible in the table, including any filters that are applied. If the button appears inactive, it usually means there are no rows to export with the current view. You'll be prompted to select File Type. Choose the format that works best for your workflow. A CSV file is great for compatibility and can be opened by most spreadsheet tools. An Excel file preserves formatting nicely if you primarily use spreadsheet software. A Google Sheets option is convenient if you collaborate online. Select the one that fits your needs and, if available, confirm delimiter or encoding settings for maximum compatibility. Then click Download. Your file will begin generating and save to your default Downloads folder. Rename it to something descriptive so you can find it later. Open the file to confirm the columns and keyword list look right, and you're done. With these steps, you'll always have a reliable export of your Google Ads keywords ready for analysis or sharing.